styling the colors of the year from Pantone. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to look at the two colors of the year from Pantone, which is Ultimate Gray, and Illuminating, which is a yellow, and try and make it work, come up with an outfit in my closet. Because you know, we hear about like the colors of the year, and you know, for a lot of people they think, okay, now I need to go and start buying this stuff and bringing it into my closet without even like looking at what they have in their closet to begin with. And this is something that I find trips up a lot of women because, you know, we get in this cycle of thinking that all the new trends or the color stories that come out need to work for us, or that we need to buy that exact thing in order to make our closet feel fresh again or stylish. And it's not the case. There's so much possibility in your closet. And like with the exception of if you've got only neutrals and you're looking to adopt color, that's obviously different. But you don't have to get the exact same shades, tints, or tones in your closet as something that Pantone has declared in order for your closet to be stylish or current. And that's what sort of, you know, brought up the idea for today's video, because I wanted to show you this because this is something I show my Rise Through Style Society, because we talk about like color stories and whatnot often. And we're currently talking about spring at the moment in our membership and what that means for our wardrobes and mindset. And you know, I wanted to kind of have this fun video. So what I wanted to start with first is Illuminating, which is the yellow that had come up this year. And I'm someone that's fairly new to yellow. I only started adopting it in my closet 1 or 2 years ago, and it's typically in an accent in my closet. It's not something I've gotten in like really big bold pieces. Like for example, I had this skirt that was newer in my closet that's sort of like a more of a citrus, like lime yellow almost, if you will. And you guys have seen this skirt before that's more of a mustard yellow, like I have that in my closet. But overall, like more buttery type of yellow is a little new to me. I don't have a lot of it in my closet. So I thought, what a perfect opportunity to kind of play with this. So what I was thinking for yellow, again, not that it has to be the same shade, because don't let this trip you up. Just yellow in general is sort of a trending color, and you get to inject this into your closet in whatever tint, tone, or undertone works obviously for you, without needing to go and buy new pieces unless that's something that you want. So for me personally, I was thinking of this beautiful butter yellow blouse that you guys have actually seen on me before that I picked up from Lily Silk. Let me go grab it. So here we are. Here's the yellow top, or yellow blouse, excuse me. It needs some like, you can tell it needs a steam on the bottom. But I thought this would be a really great base to work with. I love, love, love this blouse. It feels comfortable. I love the shot of color for me. It just feels really nice. And in order to make this feel fresh for me, I've really been enjoying having like colors pop against neutrals, especially with yellow. Not that I don't like it with other colors, but when I was thinking of this, especially because it's a little cooler here in Canada or near the Toronto area, so we're not quite ready to embrace the no layers vibe just yet. And what I thought would be a really beautiful accent against this is white. I'm a bit of a white junkie when it comes to like neutrals. It's just my thing. Like everyone I know likes black. I like white. White or cream, they're my thing. So I'm gonna grab a beautiful white blazer. All right, so here is the white blazer. It is one of my favorites. This is a beauty from Alice and Olivia, and I love the idea of putting these two together. I just think that's going to stand out really nicely, really displays. The white jacket feels very spring oriented too, which feels fresh for the season. So I'm gonna start off with this as my base layer. I'm just gonna put them here at the side. I'm gonna start with those. Now, what I thought would also be kind of cool, and I'm on the hunt for right now, is I want some light leather trousers of some kind, but I don't have that just yet. So what came to mind actually for me is some of my black, and you guys know I don't gravitate towards this often, but I was actually thinking of my black trousers that I have, or pleather trousers I should say, and I really love the fit of these. I also love pleather because it adds a little bit of edge, so it makes an outfit feel really current instantly. And I like the little like nod to attitude in an outfit. I think it feels like, just looks really good. So I'm gonna pair this with the white and yellow because I think that'll look really lovely. And then because I want to add a shoe, and I'm thinking of a heel just because right now I think my heels think I've died because we're all at home a little bit more often right now. But I find that a lot of women would probably in an outfit like this gravitate towards either grabbing a white shoe or a black shoe of some kind because they've got those neutrals in an outfit. I actually like to use metallics if they're close to one of the colors that I'm wearing. So in this case, yellow, I'm thinking of gold, and you guys know I have these gold pumps I wear to death. So let me grab those. So here we are, some gold pumps. And I mean, come on, this is gonna look so good together, you know? And again, that little shot of metallic adds a little nod to the evening time. It's a little glam. And again, if nothing else, it's just to let my shoes know I'm still here or my heels know I'm still here. So I love the idea of pairing all of these together. I think it's going to look really chic, and this could even turn into a very cool daytime look, even if I put it with sneakers, but this could also very easily transition to the evening time. And then because of the neckline, I wanted to explore like some cool necklaces, and I've really been into layering necklaces lately. To me, it feels really good. And I love like just going and layering bold pieces on top of bold pieces. So rather than grabbing one statement necklace, I'm gonna grab a few. So just a moment. Now, I've got some necklaces. You guys might think I'm nuts, but I feel like this will come together. Maybe I'll eat my words, who knows. But I love the idea of using, first of all, this necklace with this shirt. I mean, this is beautiful. It's got multiple strands in it. I also like the idea of mixing texture in a necklace. So I've got this chain detail here that I'm going to try layering with the other chains just to break that up. And then this guy here, I think is really cool. It's a longer necklace I picked up from Dylan Lex. And I love the idea of wearing that and having it come down just a little bit further than that longer pendant. And we'll see, like maybe in execution this won't work, but this is sort of what I have in my mind's eye that I think will be really cool just to see the different levels or layers in a necklace. Yeah, so you know what? Let's try this outfit out. See how we rocked the Pantone illuminating color of the year. Here we go. I actually really love how this turned out. The layering of the necklaces speak to my soul. And I really love how the yellow just completely pops against the white and black. It just feels so fresh. And you guys know I love a good metallic moment always. So rocking metallics, both in my accessories and shoes, just feels really modern and fresh. I love, love, love how this turned out. Okay, next up in this outfit challenge, or Pantone challenge, if you will, is to wear ultimate gray. Now, this one, I have to say, makes me a little nervous because I don't actually have a lot of gray in my closet. I don't own, like, other than like some bottoms and I think like a handful of tops, I actually don't really own black or gray a whole lot. Like, I just prefer lighter neutrals and color. It's just what makes me happy. So the thought of gray, I literally have, I think, 2 pieces in my closet that are gray, and I just know myself well enough to know that this will not be a color I adopt in large doses in my closet. It doesn't work for my skin tone or color palette, although I like it, but it's just not for me. So I'm gonna honor my feelings in that and just not go too far down this rabbit hole. But when I was thinking of what I wanted to pair together, the thing that came to mind is a blazer and a graphic tee that I have, and I want to experiment with these two as my base pieces for an outfit. Okay, so here is my blazer, and this is an older piece from Zara that I have, and I really like it because it's got a mix of both gray and white mixed into the jacket. So we've got this really beautiful light gray, which I think really speaks springtime. And the texture of this jacket is so incredibly soft and snuggly, so it gives me like the little bit of warmth that, again, we still need where I am currently. And I really, really like it, which is why this piece has remained in my closet. Now, the other gray piece that's more of a charcoal, but I'm gonna rock it, which you guys have seen 1,000 times probably, is this graphic tee. And bless it, I love it because of all of the color that's in this graphic tee. And that's a tip to any of you out there. If you have a graphic tee, look for one with doses of color. It'll be really great and easy to integrate it into your closet. So I love that this has like blues, yellows, reds, greens, like all sorts of stuff. It's got a little bit of a gray in it too. And I thought this would be really cool to layer underneath. I love graphic tees with things in the closet. It's so gorgeous. So although I could put this with lots of like different colors, like initially I was thinking like this would be kind of cool, like that skirt. And I was even thinking like I could put it with like this red sequin skirt, right? To pull on the red that's in the bit of the lettering on the t-shirt. I found myself thinking about, I think putting it with maybe just some blue jeans. I know I don't gravitate towards a lot of those, like in videos for you guys, so I like to show something a little bit more fun, but I'm really feeling it with this combination. I think it's gonna look really good. So I'm gonna put this shirt and blazer off to the side here. And I think what I'm gonna do with this one is grab a straight leg. Again, just a nice break from what we've been seeing in terms of like the silhouettes recently. And I have a pair of straight legs somewhere in here. Anyone else a jean junkie? It's definitely my guilty pleasure. Lots of jeans. All right, I have this pair of straight leg that I absolutely love. It's got a button clasp to it, and they are so incredibly comfortable. So I'm going to rock these jeans in this look, and I think it'll just give a nice casual flair, especially with the fact that I've got a blazer here and I want to keep it relatively casual. So it feels like very daytime appropriate, especially if we're just hanging at home right now. So I love this thought. And then for shoes, again, because I've got the denim and the graphic tees a little bit more casual, I think I want to go more down like that road and get something that's a flat footwear base. So let me show you what I'm thinking. Okay, I have two thoughts in this department, and I'm not really quite sure what's going to win yet. But one is just a basic white sneaker, right? These are good classics to have in your closet. I thought this might be kind of fun. And again, just nice and easy to put together with the outfit. The white sneaker kind of feels a bit spring-like as well, which I like, and pulls out the white that's in this gray blazer, which I think is really beautiful. Or my other thought, because I love metallics, is to boom, go with some metallic shoes. And I love these Oxfords. They have been a love affair of mine in my closet for quite some time. And I also thought this would be kind of funky. I don't know. What do we think? What do we think? I kind of feel like the sneakers are going to win in this one, but I really want these to work too. I was thinking actually for a bag with this one, just because the outfit's so neutral, and neutrals are a great way to make color pop. I was actually thinking of getting something that will help the colors in the graphic tee pop. So one of the things I'm going to grab is a yellow beanie that I have. Unfortunately, I don't have it in my closet right here. It's downstairs, so I'm gonna have to grab that and I'll show it to you at the end. But I was thinking that would look really cool. And then the other thing that I was thinking of is either grabbing a yellow clutch. A yellow clutch. Hold on. Okay, guys, so here's what I'm thinking. So this graphic tee's got the yellow in it, like I mentioned, and I was thinking this would be so cool with it, right? And bonus, yellows, again, Pantone's color of the year as well. So I thought these two with the sneakers would be really cool, and then the yellow beanie, which I know I haven't showed you yet. But how fun is that? And maybe some fabulous earrings, like some statement earrings or something. I am loving this. All right, let's see how this outfit turns out. I love this look. It's super casual, but feels kind of cute. And I love, I gotta say, the accents of yellow against the gray. So again, it's not the exact same shade as Pantone's colors, but again, don't let it get you hung up. This still speaks to the color story of the year. And I really, really love how this turned out. I would definitely wear this outfit out running errands or grabbing a coffee with friends. So good. I hope this video inspired you to go through your closet and realize you don't have to have those exact pieces to make a trend work in your closet. There's lots of other ways that you can get creative based on what you have. And of course, if you want to explore this further and really see what your style and closet is made of, if you want to up-level your mindset too and just grow as a person, I would love to have you in my Rise Through Style Society. You get 3 exclusive programs, outfits inspo from like other like-minded women that are posting their looks and what they're trying with their style in the group. You also get monthly challenges, monthly Q&As, and monthly exercises to help you grow and up-level your style and experiment with something new. And there's just so much goodness packed into this membership. I know you will love it. So if you're interested, I will leave it linked down below. And other than that, I'm sending you all the love to the moon and back, and I'll catch you again in the next video. Bye, guys.